Hello, this is Pratibha Patil and welcome to online learning series of Chawra English Medium School, Shahada. Today we are going to learn lesson in English topic number 2.3, Abdul becomes a courtier. First, let's see what is a courtier. Courtier is a person who works in the court of a king in the respectable position, and the hero of our play, Abdul, wants to become a courtier. In order to become a courtier, he needs to acquire knowledge, needs to study a lot. Therefore, he asked his father to lend him some gold so that he can fulfill his dreams. As his father worked as a schoolmaster and didn't earn that much great salary, so he couldn't afford this much costly and expensive books. So that he decided to borrow the books from the school library. Abdul was very eagerly waiting for the books. In the evening, when father came back, he couldn't get single book also. Father felt very sad about it. Abdul was very sad and despair. Therefore, he continued with his daily duties, borrows the books from his friends in the large quantity, and studied. Then Abdul approaches towards the rich merchant and asked him to give him a chance for sir. Merchant offered him the job of a clerk and told him if he worked honestly, he will pay him well. Abdul, who was a very smart and intelligent boy, he worked very honestly. After a few days, merchant came to the Abdul and said to him he pleased with his work and called him a gem and said he want to reward him if his demand is fair. Then Abdul was very excited and very happy by listening the words of the merchant, and he demanded to give him chance to read the books in his library. Days passed and Abdul learned and gained the knowledge in the different subjects: philosophy, astronomy, Arabic and Persian. And he became one of the scholars. Then Abdul got the news Emperor answered his prayer and given him the chance to work as a caretaker of Royal Murgi Khana, means as a poultry keeper. He felt very sad. Intellectual and learned person like him as a poultry keeper, but he won't refuse the opportunity. He accepted the challenge and decided to show his best. Abdul worked with enthusiasm and passion. Due to that, hens become healthy and well very soon. When Emperor inquired about the hens, that time minister informed to the Emperor about the hens. They are very healthy and well now, and the secret behind that only Abdul can tell. Abdul entered in the court and goes front of the Emperor. Then Emperor asked him about the hens. How do he nourish at without any expense? Then that time Abdul told to the king that he served them only the waste and the left food of the kitchen, and that is very tasty for the hens and they became healthy. Emperor praised about the Abdul and he offered him the job as a librarian, to caretaker of the books. Again, Abdul got as a keeper of a book. It's very sad, but Abdul never mind about. He loves the books, so he decided to do his duty well and with honestly. After 1 year, when Emperor entered in the library, Emperor was wondered by seeing the very expensive and the beautiful jackets to all the books. By using the cloth like a silk, velvet, and then he asked to the Abdul. Then Abdul explained about that is also without any expense. Again, king was wondered. How without any expense? It is unbelievable. Then Abdul explained to the king that whatever the formal letters comes for the king, that are in the very beautiful and the costly fabric bags. After reading the letters, that bags are thrown away. Why to waste that costly fabric? So he demanded that bags and asked the royal tailor to make the beautiful jackets for the books without taking anything. The king was really very happy and he understand the intelligence and the cleverness of the Abdul, and he declared he will be his courtier. Due to his hard work and intelligence and the patience, Abdul achieved his aim, great name and fame. I hope you enjoyed the story. Through this story, we understand that if you want to be a successful person, we have to start with the small steps for a big change. Until you will not get succeed, don't stop. Don't give up anything. If you fail for anything, try again and again. Definitely you will get success in your aim.